What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the How To channel. Now we're going to show you on this video how to play a reverse video. There's a trend going around where there's hidden gems in videos and you need to play it in reverse to find out. So what you want to do is save the video you're trying to reverse. Then we're actually going to come off the TikTok app and go onto Chrome or Safari, whatever your browser is. Type in reverse a video, spell exactly how I've done it here. Then when you see the esgaff.com, you might have to scroll down, but that one there, click on that. Now all you're going to do is simply upload your video. Just select a file from photo library and click the one that you just downloaded. Okay, this is going to take a little while to upload, maybe like 6 seconds. Once it's compressed, you click the upload button, that big blue upload video button. Again, this will take about 5 seconds, 6 seconds. Once this is done, scroll down. Where it says reversed video, there's going to pop up a little blue button and ask you to reverse it. There it is. It says reverse video. Once you click that, your video will appear completely reversed. Now, the sound will stay the same, but the actual video will be in reverse. Okay, you can click reverse sound just above if you want that as well. There you go, guys. Tune in for more how-to videos. Like, follow, and subscribe.